Hi everyone, this is Ingrid from Old Town Charm, and today I'm doing soap number 2 of the Sparkle series, and this is going to be a blue soap, and I'm going to be using the fragrance from Candle Science called Blue Spruce. This is a very popular scent during the holidays, and people request them in candles and in soap. So I mixed this 10-pound soap batter until it was a light trace, and then I covered it, and I did a mistake. You'll see later on what happens. So here's where things got crazy. I did not divide this in half. I did 10 pounds because I was doing 4 soaps, and this went everywhere. I lost like a pound of soap. This was extremely hot. I could not divide this on time, so I called my husband to help me, but unfortunately he was not wearing gloves, so I did this on my own. You can see here how I'm trying to lift it, but it's just too hot, so I lifted on the side when it was started to volcanoing again, and I got to divide it. I was lucky enough to do that. I thought I was gonna spill more than 3 pounds of soap, but yes, I did not prepare on time. I knew that I was making a lot of soap. I should have divided my batter into 2. The good thing is, once it spills, just wait until it cools off. This cleans very easily because once it's cooled, the hot process soap that spills, it's like if you took graham crackers and you just, was trying to do a pie crust. That's the texture that comes out of this when it spills, when it's in this stage. So once it cools down, it's actually easy to clean and you don't have to worry about burning your hands. So just wait a minute. Luckily, I still ended up with 9 pounds of soap. I was able to do my 4 soaps, and this is how it ended. So yeah, this is just crazy times, me not thinking and doing the things right from the beginning. It worked out. So here I am at the last stage. Once the soap is already done, I'm adding my sodium lactate, which I ran out, and I'm waiting for it to cool down. This is like around 197 degrees now, and I'm gonna wait until it's like 180 or 175 to add my yogurt. So here I'm adding my yogurt at 175, I believe. And after this, of course, I'm gonna add my fragrance and my colors. Here I'm adding Blue Spruce from Candle Science, like I mentioned, and I love this fragrance. This one has like a pine outdoorsy smell. I always tell my husband this reminds me of the mountains of North Carolina. I love this fragrance. I have something similar in the candles called Rustic Barn, and people love pairing these two together. So to top off this soap, I'm using Sparkle Me Plenty from Micas. I love using this. It just makes the soap so cute and so perfect at the end. I love that these soaps came imperfect, that some of the bar of soap did not color, and it makes it look like it's sparkling from inside out. I love the top, which the Sparkle Me Plenty made it look so pretty, but the inside, I love it too. I feel like the uncolored soap adds to it. And again, one of the things I really love about natural homemade soap is that it's just imperfect but perfect. This smells delicious. It looks beautiful. And if you do end up doing a soap like this will be a great idea for the holidays, for those stocking stuffers or any Christmas gift. Pair it with a nice homemade candle as well, and voila, you have a great gift for someone like me. I love getting anything that's homemade. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and would like to see more videos, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. I will let you see the results and see you on the next video. Bye.